Assalamu alaikum students, this is Hadika Batul and today we are going to discuss about prefixes. So let's start our video. What are prefixes to the power of 10? Well, a mechanism through which a very small or very large number is expressed in power of 10 by giving a proper name to it is called prefixes to the power of 10. Or in other words, we can say prefixes are the letters or names of power of 10 added before SI units. For example, such as kilometer and centimeter, etc. The word kilo and centi are the prefixes and its symbols are K and C. Now, let's see the prefixes used in physics for grade 9. The first one is deci, its power is -1 and the symbol is small d. The second one is centi, its power is -2 and the symbol is small c. The third one is milli, its power is -3 and the symbol is m. Similarly, the fourth one is micro, the fifth one is nano, the sixth one is pico, the seventh one is femto and the eighth one is atto. Its power is -18 and the symbol is small a. So these are some prefixes for the negative powers. Similarly, prefixes for the positive powers are, the first one is deca. Its power is +1 and the symbol is small da. The next one is hecto and its power is +2 and the symbol is H. The third one is kilo, its power is +3 and the symbol is K. Similarly, the next one is mega, giga, tera, peta and the last one is exa and its power is +18 and the symbol is capital E. So these are some prefixes for the negative powers and for the positive powers. Now, how to memorize these prefixes? Let's check out the method to memorize these prefixes. As you know that these are the prefixes for the negative power and these are the prefixes for the positive powers. First, make a word from all these symbols. For the negative powers, we can make the word DC Munpafa and for the positive powers, we can make the word Decum Jetpi. So, repeat these two words for 6 to 7 times to memorize these prefixes. After that, to memorize the power of 10, first see the negative powers that starting from -1 and first 3 powers have the difference of -1. You can see that the first power is 10's power -1, the second one is -2 and the third one is -3. So, have the difference of -1. And from the power -3 to -18, you can see that there is an increase of -3 to each power going downward of the list. So the difference between power -6 and power -9 is -3 and the difference between -9 and -12 is 3. Similarly, the difference between -12 and -15 is 3 and the difference between -15 and -18 is 3. So there is an increase of -3 to each power going downward of the list. Similarly, for the positive powers that starting from 1 and first 3 powers have the difference of 1. As you can see that the first power is 10 power 1, the second one is power 2 and the third one is +3. So here is the difference of 1. And from power 3 to 18, you can see that there is an increase of 3 to each power going downward. Similarly, the difference between 12 and 15 is 3 and the difference between 15 and 18 is 3. So you can say that there is an increase of 3 to each power going downward of the list. So students, this is a very easy method to memorize these prefixes. If you like the video, please subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching.